Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to join someone without being their friends. If you know a popular streamer or maybe someone you know and you're not friend with them and you want to join their game, then in this video I'll show you how it can be possible. So first you have to go to a browser and then you have to log in with your Roblox account. Once you have logged in, then you have to open another tab and then you have to search for Roblox old server finder list or any keyword related to it until you find the link for the Chrome web store, which is the restore all Roblox server list. This is actually a Chrome extension through which we will be able to find the servers. So simply click on add to Chrome and simply add it as your extension on Chrome. Once it has been added, now you have to go back to your Roblox and then you have to just simply make sure that this extension is enabled. Now one thing that you must know is the username of that person of which you want to join. Let's say this is the username of the person I want to join the server in which that user plays. So what you have to do is you have to simply open up their profile and copy their username. Once you have copied the username, open that extension and then at the bottom you have to paste it. But before you have to enable or toggle on these options. And after that you have to paste the username here. Once you have enabled these toggles and added your username, you can also change the per page servers if you would like to. And then you have to just simply do a quick refresh or it will get enabled on its own. If not, then you can just simply do a quick refresh. After that, if you think that person plays that game, you have to find that game and open it. Let's say here I have searched for the car games. If you know that person plays that game or if you just want to check, simply go and find any game in if you want to join that person. Once you have got that game, click onto it. And now if that person plays that game, we will get to know here. You have to click onto that server option, and if you find their profile picture or profile avatar here like there, that means that person plays this game and you can join their server. Sometimes it get hard to find the specific server in which that user is playing because their profile avatar is very similar to other ones like in my case. So for that you have to struggle a bit, find the exact server in which the profile picture or the profile avatar is same, then you can join their server. So I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.